Hello darlings, if you want to know how to make this luscious vegetarian mushroom stew, let me show you how to make it. Take a paper towel and start by cleaning your mushrooms. Do not use water or they will get really flavorless and you don't want that. Then cut the bottom off, quarter them and set them aside. Peel your onion, cut them in half and then chop it really fine. I chose brown mushrooms just because I like them, but you can use any mushrooms, whatever you like. Take a garlic clove and also really chop it fine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like recipes and DIYs, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Take your bell pepper and then slice it into little stripes. Once that all cut up, take a pan, add your oil and heat it to medium heat. Start by sauteing your mushrooms. Make sure the heat is really on medium heat, or otherwise you just get burned mushrooms too fast. After 5 minutes, we're adding our onions and the garlic and just keep on sauteing them for another 2 minutes. After they have a little bit of color, you add your tomato paste. It's important to roast the tomato paste a little bit or saute it because it takes the bitterness out of the paste. Then you take your paprika and keep on sauteing. It has a really nice aroma. Then add your broth. I used vegetable broth. It was not homemade, but it's always better to use the homemade one. Then I added my red wine, and of course I took a little sip of the red wine. Then let it simmer for about 5 minutes, season with salt and pepper. And then you're adding your bell peppers to the mushroom. Your herbs. And then you give it a quick stir and let it simmer for nicely 20 minutes. So all comes nicely together and the flavor really comes out. Then take your cold heavy cream and mix it with your flour. This will help to enrich our stew, makes it creamy and gives it a really nice sauce. Pour it over your stew and just mix it and stir it in. It will thicken up after 1 minute. Add your fresh or frozen parsley and then you're already done. Just give it one more stir and look at the deliciousness. I served it with some homemade fresh mashed potatoes and sprinkled some more parsley over it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.